close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video, and this is a wig from DY Hair 77. This is a transparent lace front 13x6 lace front wig, and we are going to be doing my go-to style, what I love to do, my favorite style to do today. And I'm basically showing you how I get this wig prepared for that from start to finish. So I started out by plucking the hairline just a little bit. The lace is really what's gonna make this wig super popping. So after I plucked and bleached, I just started to style the actual hair. So you see me flat ironing the hair before I curl it because I had washed the hair, and I don't like when my wigs are looking too big in the roots because that definitely gives it a wiggy vibe. So that's why you see me flat ironing the roots, and not even the ends, just the roots, just to make sure it's gonna lay flat. So this is my 1.5 inch curling iron. I think this is a Hot Tools curling iron that I did get from Ross, one of my favorite hair tools that I have been using. And I do use my Turn Up the Zone heat protecting spray, which gives the hair a very shiny finish. It's almost like it's silk pressed. I got that from Sally's for about $8.99, and I just spray that in there, press out the roots, and then I do a pin curl. I did the whole head, and then when I get up to the actual lace part of the unit, I make sure I press it out thoroughly so it does lay super flat. This is a transparent lace wig, so that means that the actual lace is gonna melt right in without you not even really having to do anything. So I do want to make sure it's flat in the roots, just so it'll just give it the most realistic effect, since this already is such good lace. This is 20 inches, and the hair was thick from the root to the tip. It wasn't no wispy end, sis. This is a mighty fine wig. Definitely a cute everyday unit. It's not too long, not too short. You can keep it silked out, and the lace is really my favorite, honestly. I love using freeze spray in the roots because you can spray that on there and take a hot comb or an actual curling iron and just lay it really, really good. Next, you just want to slide the wig on, get the adjustable straps in order, make sure it's a perfect fit before you actually start installing it. And I just knew once I put it on, I'm like, yeah, this is gonna be fire. So after I did all of that, I just proceeded to apply my wig as I usually do. Since this is transparent lace, it's really thin and flexible. You want to make sure you don't put a ton of product on the hairline just so it doesn't get caked up and defeat the whole purpose of the transparent lace, which is to blend in and look as natural as possible. So make sure you are very light-handed on the wig glue and or got to be when you are laying down your wig. Now you just want to add a scarf and let it sit until the actual wig, the actual glue is dry, glue and or gel is dry. And then I took my pin curls out and it was giving me so much body. I can't wait for you to see it. And it was at this exact moment that I knew this was finna be fat. Period. So after I got all that in order, I did just rake my fingers through the curls and sprayed a little bit of this free spray just to get all the flyaways gone. And yeah, I was basically done. So this is how I do my, full-blown body wave movement from start to finish. If you did want to pick up this wig and try it out yourself, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you loved it just as much as me. I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.